Welcome to you in the 7th day of the AJ90 Days challenge, and I hope everything is going great from your side with honesty. If you did not know about this challenge, then you must need to watch the first video of this channel. Anyways, here is the plan for today's, and let's get into the real adventure of JavaScript. First, today I tried a last code word problem that was based on the decryption. I applied multiple techniques. Even I get the odd and even index character from this array. But still I did not solve it today. And also I did very well dry run in my notebooks. But unfortunately I did not solve it today. Then I went to the discussion forum of the Codeverse, and there I saw multiple users say that it was one of the top to solve this problem. So let it be for now, and we'll try it in future. But if you can solve this problem, then you must need to reply the answer or solution of this question into the comment box, right? Then I complete documentation on GitHub about data types in JavaScript. Data type is a basic building blocks in JavaScript. Without data type, you can't imagine a dynamic websites, right? So it is one of the most essential topics in JavaScript. There are two kinds of data type in JavaScript. The first one is primitive, and the second one is non-primitive. Non-primitive, also known as objects in JavaScript. Both are most essential topics in JavaScript, but for now just focus on primitive data type. As you know, there are 7 kinds of primitive data type. The first one is null. Null denotes nothing or unknown value. If you do not want to assign any value to a variable, then you must need to assign null value to that variable, right? And the second one is undefined. If a variable is declared but does not assign any value to it, then its default value will be undefined. But please keep in mind, do not put undefined value to a variable explicitly, right? The third one is boolean. It has only 2 values. The first one is true and the second one is false. And this is one of the most useful data type in any programming language. And the fourth one is numbers. The numbers in JavaScript represents both integer and floating point values. JavaScript does not have 2 data types for represent floating point number and integer number, just like a C programming. There is also some other values in number like plus or minus infinity and not a number. And you must need to keep in your mind these values as well. And the fifth one is a string. This is one of the most useful data types in JavaScript. You will learn multiple string method in future. A string is a sequence of 0 or more characters, and you must need to wrap it inside a quotes. And as you already know that there are 3 types of quotes in JavaScript. The first one is single quote, second one is double quote, and the third one is backticks. And backticks is also known as template literal in JavaScript, right? And the next one is symbol. If you want to create some unique value or some unique primitive data type, then we should use symbol data type, right? And the last one is bigint data type. It represents larger whole numbers in JavaScript. It is created by appending n to the end of a number. For more information about data types in JavaScript, head over to the description box and see the GitHub repository. And finally, I read a MDN blog on the data object, shoot or upload video for you, but today I did not went to the gym because it ran today. So yeah, that was some challenges I faced on the 7th day of the AJ90 Days challenge. Let me know what obstacles or challenges you faced on the 7th day of this challenge.